ngasi tawdoisi chapter 15 human diseases part C ni aduga ngasi tawdoriba topic sina typhoid or enteric fever haibasni. Typhoid or enteric fever haibasi salmonella typhi haibasina ahanbani aduga salmonella typhi sine infect toise fecal oral route infect towi matogam na fecal oral route habisi kaino hairagadi oi salmonella typhi infected person amana mas si proper sanitation leitabadagi magi feces sing dagi ke doba spread tawi or magi stool dagi spread tawi harsu yare aduga healthy person amada madu dagi magi feces sing do through oral route dagi changaga atupa individuals and spread tawba adu makhalgi disease makhalni poor hygiene of patients can lead to secondary infection. Haibadi salmonella typhi ne infected torba haibadi typhoid naraba mi amana or patient amana magi poor hygiene oibuduna maram oiraga atopu mayam singde spread tawbo yai ko isingda oina ising through ising dagi atop mi amadasu mana infection pihanba spread tawbo yai adu tasunatana even polluted water bodies singdagi aikoi snails habdi tharoi gumba chabadagi aikoi salmonella typhi infection habdi typhoid sinapsu yai yam common oina thengnaba yam common oina thengnaba infection tholiba yam common oina typhoid infection tholiba adumba makhalgi source ti drinking of contaminated water matau karamna contamination thoina habda urine contamination oiba amasung feces ki contamination oiba haibadi isingda mapan thoksenba amasung khong hamjanba asyumbadagi ising sing thaubadagi typhoid na ba yai aduga typhoid se amu hek ma se chaba de yaw sangraba haibadi salmonella typhi se chaba de yaw sangraba small intestine da ma se 1 to 3 weeks da multiply to thoi adu ta sunatana intestine gi wall sing dagi atopa organ sing amasung tissue sing da chalaga mana spread to thoi adu ta sunate haiba typhoid na naraba mi amase magi lairiba immune system magi defensive mechanism je yamna sunda hali aduga magi infection dagi prevent toba ngamande salmonella typhi naraba haibadi typhoid naraba mi se symptoms sungut uttana nabasu lei ado symptom utlaga nabasu lei symptom uttana naragasu mana atopa individuals and spread tawbadi adumak tawi so 2 to 5% of previously infected individuals become chronic carrier who shows no signs of disease but active set viable organisms capable of infecting others 2 to 5% of the infected individuals makoidi chronic way hadi matam sangna nagali matam sangna nagani adubu makoidadi magi disease to mangonda infect tore disease to gi symptoms sing utte to batabu mana mi atobadadi spread to ba yai spread to hali hen example da malai typhoid ki example ko Mary Melun habaze food handler ni maase typhoid na nabadagi ko maase typhoid na nabadagi maase typhoid na mini man spread to baze 78 people infect to aduga mi manga maondagi santokibda mi manga sengi aduga mi 78 ta man spread to mi tobotobu ma masa Mary Melun haiba masamakti haiba symptoms se typhoid ki symptoms se amata masada di utaba maunde no signs of disease haitare oiba Mary Melun se toboto maunde idi infection tholi 78 people and even killing 5 of them ko sumaina typhoid haiba se sumaina toba makhagi disease ni makhaning symptoms of typhoid fever da labor symptoms sing kamai tawi ingsi ko continuous fever is high as 40 degrees Celsius with profuse sweating hai continuous fever legani lahogoni ko temperature se ke doba 40 degrees Celsius with profuse sweating koi humang kang bahagadra humang anapi kang baga haidab aduduni rosy spots on the lower chest and abdomen rosy spots in legani lower chest amasung abdomen da slow heartbeat delirium with headache and cough kok nuaitaba se keno headache amasung cough ngawa tawani bleeding from nostrils ko higumba tagali abdominal pain gastroenteritis diarrhea amasung dehydration si singje typhoid naragadi haiba symptoms singje utkani haime makhada test for typhoid test to bagi test se koi Vidal test ko wi maje blood serum test serological test ni haibde blood serum da test ogani ko blood serum da test ogani sigi typhoid ki Vidal test haibaje George F Vidal haiba nipa sidagi Vidal se maming lo thonmani France ki physician ni kamai to hai kanda salmonella ki antibody sing agglutinating to ba punjan bhaibni salmon antibody sing punjan bagrai da blood ta haiba se salmonella ki antibody sing agglutinating tawri base sinaraga koi diagnose towi ko haiba Vidal test da prevention aviation for typhoid fever is available however it can lose its effectiveness after several years so a booster vaccination may be necessary typhoid ki vaccine je available oi hai vaccine sinaraga jo matam kharagi matungda amuk hana typhoid se nahan basu yai aduna ma prevent to no bai da wakta booster vaccination oina to gani hai ba vaccination to ba se sitanadana atopa preventive measures sing typhoid fever gi hairagadi sida ure Using water that has been boiled or chemically disinfected for drinking, brushing, washing face, hands, washing utensils, etc. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯨꯝꯊꯣꯛꯑꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯧꯍꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ disinfected chemically disinfected ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ washing faces hands ko washing utensils ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ typhoid fever dagi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ prevent ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ eating food or drinking beverage only from hygienic source hoi beverage sing ko aduda natana chanaba achapur oigera chanaba chinjak singje hygienic source sing dagi chagadabni kaino hakadam typhoid se hygienic oiba sources poor hygiene oiba singdana hena nagali ko maze fecal oral route oidana adugini any raw food such as fruits vegetables salad greens and pasteurized milk and milk products raw meat etc could be contaminated and should be avoided during epidemics oiba matamda epidemics sopa matamda raw foods in habadi raw fruits in vegetables green salads unpasteurized milks or milk products raw meats makoi ma'am singse epidemics kuma thokpa matamda aikoi moi singse charoi dabni avoid togadabni hai kino hai kanda samna typhoid ki epidemics ama thoe khalo maduda ayamba haiba raw food singida contamination orambe or disease singina contamination tawbraga atopa spread tawba yamna laina ngamgani adugi damakni epidemics haibuje kamba particular disease samana pak sana population mana hanbaduni go aduna epidemics mutho madana haiba sinjak singje avoid tawgadabni hame sen notes ama iri no singji ko taking antibiotics is not a preventive for typhoid fever antibiotics sing sabasi typhoid fever ki preventive measure manate haibane aduga second it is important to remember that danger of typhoid fever does not end when symptoms disappear ko haibadi typhoid naba mi amagi symptoms sing ulamaga maje fagale symptoms sing ulaktre hairaga khoina ye lai thope ade symptoms sing uttagasu magi typhoid na danger bi ai you could still be carrying salmonella typhi and the illness could return or you could pass the disease to other people symptoms sing utre haidana salmonella typhi di adumak nangi nasada or infected person duda yauduribani aduga hariba symptoms no amuk hana ulaposu natragana atopa miyoi singda spread to thopusi ai habni aduna typhoid fever leiba mi khudimak hariba singse follow togadabni kai kaino take the prescribed antibiotics ko antibiotics sing saba khaktana di khoi preventive measure na te hai tobato naraba mi adudadi kedogani haiba singse follow togadabni prescribe ko physician singna piriba prescribe antibiotics sing sagadabni wash hands after using the bathroom have a series of stool cultures to ensure that the salmonella typhi bacteria are not longer present hai stool sing adumak test tawraga salmonella typhi yauribra yaudabra haibado ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯪꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯏꯐꯣꯏꯗꯀꯤ ꯅꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯂꯣ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯃꯦꯂꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ Malaria is a disease caused by protozoans parasites of the genus Plasmodium. Malaria है protozoan parasite मखल अमर थोन disease नहीं genus ना Plasmodium होइबा अदुगा malaria जिदा थोड़ीबा protozoan parasites ने genus सबुदी Plasmodium होगसु मखल मयाम लई Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale मैम खाइदई अदुदा ख्वाइदगी मरुओइना सीरीज फॉर्म सिंग सीरीज ओइबा सिंग नहालिबदी मरुओइना Plasmodium falciparum अमसुंग Plasmodium vivax नि Malaria parasites are transmitted by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Malaria की parasites सिंगे transmission to is a female Anopheles mosquito singna transmission to bani haiba parasites singe red blood cells singa multiply to bani haiba Plasmodium parasites singe red blood cells singa multiply to bani malaria ki symptoms sing inji Symptoms of malaria include fever, shivering, arthralgia, vomiting, anemia, hemoglobinuria, and convulsions. Fever, layahogani, shivering, nikani, arthralgia, joint pains in legani, vomiting, anemia, hemoglobinuria amasung convulsions togani there may be feeling of tingling in the skin particularly with malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum na narabami malaria da Plasmodium falciparum na infect or bami magi symptoms है tingling skin da tingling की feelings in legani hane The classical symptoms of malaria is cyclical occurrence of sudden coldness followed by rigor and then fever and sweating lasts for 4 to 6 hours common oiba malaria na nare hairagadi common over symptoms in hairagadi sudden coldness or the fever sweating high fever oigasu pung ahum mari dagina toruk hogi changda sweating toba fever toba other sudden coldness kumba leiba sumasi tobani The fever occurs every 2 days in Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium ovale infections. Plasmodium vivax amasung Plasmodium ovale na infect over sindadi every 2 days kudingi fever legani while every 3-4 Plasmodium malaria Plasmodium falciparum infected patients can have recurrent Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium vivax amasung Plasmodium ovale na infect over mi singdi every 2 days kudingi fever legani aduga Plasmodium malaria na tobadi every 3 days kuding tobani aduga Plasmodium falciparum na infect over patients singdi recurring fever sing sum legani for every 36 to 48 hours sumaina lei severe oba malaria di Plasmodium falciparum na toholi aduga magi maruiba symptoms 6 to 14 days in the magi infection ki symptoms yam utli. Consequences of severe malaria include coma and death if untreated hai. Severe malaria habdi falciparum ko Plasmodium falciparum na tholiba malaria sedi even patient do coma da lei yawgani amasung death fazana laying bidragadi sibasu yawi hai. Bangang natragana pregnant women singdadi maruina severe malaria habdi Plasmodium falciparum jina yamna thina sohan be sihanba amasung sihanba gumba yamna toin thokali kadai da anga masa amasung pregnant women singda. Chronic malaria sidi matam sangna naba malaria di Plasmodium vivax amasung Plasmodium ovale tholi Plasmodium falciparum di thonde. Plasmodium falciparum di 6 to 14 days simutani ko man na handoise adubu madi severe oiba adubu chronic malaria singdi yamna severe oiba nate chronic malaria na haluse Plasmodium vivax amasung Plasmodium ovale mokoi singje chronic oina na hali matam sang na hanba adu makal malaria ni. Prevention and disease control. Female Anopheles mosquitoes is a vector of malaria, and mosquito control is very effective way of reducing the incidence of malaria. Akoi malaria je female Anopheles mosquitoes singna santopanina ko mana santopanina haide magi khutang de transmission to bini or disease se aduna mosquito control to basi yamna maru oi malaria ki damak haiba malaria je control to nabagi or prevent to nabagi method sing da ke kilengani haiga ye koi preventive drugs sing haidi prophylactic drugs sing haidi preventive drugs sing hamko the mosquito eradication amasung prevention of mosquito biting tawragadi haiba malaria haiba dise control to bungami kekeno preventive drugs sing mosquito eradication mosquito biting mahanba mosquito biting hindaba sing je follow tawragadi ko malaria si ilana prevent to bungami magi drugs in preventive drugs in the quinine was used starting in the 17th century as a prophylactic against malaria. 17th century da quinine se malaria ki prophylactic drug oina sinai adubu akoi 20th century sidadi 20th century tadi kedare khare advance oina hena effective oina no bi damata atopa drugs sing samlei quinacrine chloroquine amasung primaquine makoi singje sinai haide hanale me quinine dagi hena effective oigo hoi drugs ina su aduma preventive measure ama oire adu ta sunatana khwaidai maru oibadi mosquito net sin raga mosquito bites ndagi prevent oba sisu yamaru oi mosquito bites ni prevent oba si yamaru oi mosquito bite gisu habdi mosquito net sin re hedana mosquito bites ni prevent orni tobotobu adu dagi su hena preventive mosquito net sin ai tobotobu mosquito net sin abodo hena effective oina bi damakta mosquito net sin je re-impregnated with insecticides with every 6 months over the name. अखोई इंसेक्टिसाइड द लुथोबा अदो मखगी मॉस्किटो नेट सिंग ओगदमी एवरी 6 मंथ खुदिंगी हाई इंसेक्टिसाइड सिंग द लुथोकदबनी इंसेक्टिसाइड सिंग द लुथोपसने केदोगदी मॉस्किटो नेट सिंग दो मॉस्किटो सिंग मरुइना मागी अकोइबदा चंगहनदबा मॉस्किटो सिंग केदोगनी मागी इंसेक्टिसाइड तो मरम ओरगा मॉस्किटो सिंग केदोगनी हाई कांदा मखोई मॉस्किटो सिंग इराडिकेशन तोगनी सुमाइना मॉस्किटो नेट सिंग सिना बसिना ख्वाइदगी हेना फबादु मखलगी प्रिवेंटिव मेजरनी ड्रग सिंग सिना बदुसु प्रिवेंटिव मेजरनी तबतबु हेना फबदी मॉस्किटो नेट सिंग सिना बदुन हेना इफेक्टिव होय सुमाइना मॉस्किटो नेट अस हेना इफेक्टिव होहनगे हारगदी मासी इंसेक्टिसाइड सिंग द लुथोबा मॉस्किटो नेट सिंग ओगदमी एवरी 6 मंथ्स खुदिंगी इंसेक्टिसाइड सिंग द लुथोको ओगदमी मथंगी क्लास ता अतोपा येंगसी ट्यूबरक्यूलोसिस नेक्स्ट क्लास ता तोबिनी मसी दिसिलोसलसी